Hey guys, Ron John here. Just posted another video, another change I did with my car. I put the Philips LED white bulbs in, as you can see here. I'm really happy with them. I think I paid about $12 for a 2-pack. Here's the dome one, and they're all, I believe, the same. Kind of bright, but they look really clean, look nice. Really like them. Also got the, I didn't do these yet. I didn't do the map lights. I'm trying to figure out a way I can get them because I'm not sure if they'll fit the ones that Philips makes for them. I think they're like the little fuse type looking bulbs. But I haven't done that. I've done the trunk light. Let me show you that real quick. I also got that one. And again, they're all the same wedge type bulb. So I think I bought a total of, let's see, 4 of them. 1 for the trunk, and then 2 for the domes, or the map lights, and then 1 for the dome. And they're all the same. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks, guys.